Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that creates machines capable of performing tasks requiring human intelligence. In simple words, AI helps computers think, learn, and make decisions like humans. What AI can do? Learn from data. AI can identify patterns and improve performance over time. Understand language, used in chatbots, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Recognize images, used in face recognition and medical image analysis. Make decisions, used in recommendations, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify. Solve problems, used in route planning, scheduling, and automation. You encounter AI every day through voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It also powers the personalized recommendations you see on platforms like YouTube and Netflix, and the Face Unlock feature on your smartphone. In conclusion, AI is continually making machines smarter and is transforming the future. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.